Cassie model. This is Cassie Deluxe. So, yung Cassie Deluxe natin, ayan, nag-ready yung car park. Okay, come on. Let's get inside. This is our dress-up model unit. So, as you can see, ayan, yung ceiling natin, high ceiling po tayo. Ayan, high ceiling. And then, naka-glass yung sa living. Tapos, we have our countertop. Ready na po yung countertop. Actually, sa package, may countertop din. So, ito. Cassie dress up. Yung breaker, ayan, available na. And then, this one, sa dress up, naka-extend lang siya, pero dun sa regular package, meron din ganito, at saka ganito. Ito, dinesign lang. And here, dito yung ref. Pwede lagay yung ref dito. Tapos may cabinet. And then, dito naman yung paglutuan. Pwede nyo yan, no? Ito, idea lang how are you going to dress up. Okay, and then, this is 2 bedrooms. Yung Cassie natin, 2 bedrooms. This is the master's bedroom. Tapos, ito, maganda yung toilet and bath natin. Ayan. So, naka-tiles talaga siya, no? The whole part. Okay, and then yan, may lavatory, and then yung toilet and bath. Yan. So, maganda. And then, we'll go on the next bedroom. Actually, this is the second bedroom, pero it's closed lang. And then, this is the common toilet and bath for the other room. So, your guests can use this one. Okay, and then we'll go outside, okay? So, ito na yung ating car park. So, yung garahe mo. So, ayan, on this, maganda na po. So, pag nag-purchase kayo ng Cassie Deluxe, so, wala, bit-bit na lang yung things, ready na. Na kailangan mag-ano pa ng ceiling. Then, this one, ito, mandated talaga na may ganito for the water. So, very mahangin. Again, guys, this is available at Greenwoods. So, where is Greenwoods located? Dito lang po, before reaching public cemetery ng Mintan. So, existing yung project natin. And then, yung good news natin is we have our extension. Saan naman located ang yung extension? Before reaching DECA. Right after the cemetery po ng public dito sa Mintan. This one is before, yung extension after. So, I'll post my other video, yung regarding sa sa financing scheme and affordability nun. Kasi meron tayong 60 months down payment. So, okay, this is Cassie. Thank you for watching my video.